Hey team, we're usually working on Frankie, but today is Saturday, so we're working on Shorty. At the moment, I already finished all the windows, so now what I'm doing is just putting the little things that actually make the car stand out and make things look good. I got indicators. These are very old school, the round piece. I like them better. Everybody has their opinion in regards to it. Also got the side indicators in this model. We did all the windows. Sadly, another windscreen has cracked. Jono was helping me out and he decided to tap here and it just cracked. This is not even my fault. On this vehicle we also had everything sandblasted and powder coated in black. Put new screws in, so we're installing all those as well. As you can see, even the little mirror, the actual OEM version, we had it powder coated, new seals in the rear. We'll have the little air conditioning window for the kids that I'm redoing all the mounts and brackets for it. In the back you can see that we already did everything inside the vehicle and some paint, and now we just need to install the carpet. That's from Noble, all shaped into the correct grooves and molded properly. So we're excited for this build. Stay tuned, we'll keep you guys updated.